Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to online classes. This side Hema Yadav from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. So children, today we will study chapter 3 in GK. So take out your book and open page number 1010. The name of the chapter is Adventure Sports. Children, you all love to play games. Here in this chapter we will see some sports which can be dangerous for you without doing any practice. So let's see in the book. We all love to play games, but some games need special skills and more practice to play. Such games are very risky. Children, if you will play these games without any skill or practice, then that can be very dangerous for you. These games are called adventure sports. These kind of games are called adventure sports. Now, look at the pictures of some adventure sports. Few pictures are given here on this page. Identify them and write their names in the given boxes. Here boxes are given, you have to fill the name of the sports here. You can take help from the help box. At the bottom of the page, help box is given here. So we can take help from here to fill the sports in the given blanks. So first is given scuba diving. Which sport is this? This is scuba diving. Now we will see these sports. First sport is given scuba diving. What is the spelling of scuba diving? S-C-U-B-A scuba, D-I-V-I-N-G diving. Now second one you can see, this is cycle race. So what is the name of this sport? Cycle racing. C-Y-C-L-E cycle, R-A-C-I-N-G racing. Now in the third picture children, you can see here a lot of snow here. Now what sports we can do in this sport? This is skiing. Spelling of skiing is S-K-I-I-N-G, skiing. Now number 4 is, this is bungee jumping. Spelling is B-U-N-G-E-E, bungee, J-U-M-P-I-N-G, jumping. Now here children, this is air sport. This is paragliding. Spelling is P-A-R-A-G-L-I-D-I-N-G, paragliding. Now number 6 is white water rafting. This is water sport and we can do this sport in the water. What is the name of this sport? White water rafting. Spelling is W-H-I-T-E, white, W-A-T-E-R, water, R-A-F-T-I-N-G, rafting. So children, these are the sports which you can play with the help of, which you can play with a lot of practice. Now we will see fact of this chapter. Children, bullfighting is an ancient sport of Spain. It is very dangerous sport. Children, ancient means very old sports. Bullfighting is very old sport and it is famous in Spain. It is very dangerous sport. This sport is very dangerous for all. Okay. Now children, we will see all these spellings on board. So what is the first spelling children? First sport is scuba diving. Now we will see these spellings on the board. So first sport is scuba diving. What is the spelling of scuba diving? S-C-U-B-A, scuba, and diving is D-I-V-I-N-G. Children, first letter should be capital in these spellings. Okay. Now second one is cycle racing. This is number 1. This is 2. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle racing. R-A-C-I-N-G, cycle racing. Now number 3 is skiing. S-K-I-I-N G, skiing. Now number 4 is bungee jumping. This is 4, B, U, N, G, double E, bungee, and jumping, U, M, P, I, N, G, bungee jumping. Now next one is paragliding. Spelling is number 5, paragliding, P, A, R, A, G, L, I, D, I, N, G, paragliding. Now last one is white water rafting. So spelling is white, this is number 6, okay, W, H, I, T, E, white, water, W, A, T, E, R, water, and rafting is R, A, F, T, I, N, G, white water rafting. So children, I hope you have understood this chapter very well. Now do this work in very good handwriting. Thank you children. Have a nice day.